This is a guitar lesson for Wish You Were Sober by Conan Gray. Alright, if you want to grab the lyrics and the chords to play it or print it out or whatever, a link should pop up right about now and you can get your free download along with loads of other tunes. All my latest lessons are up there. And we're going to get into it, and I am sober. So, let's do it. Right, here we go. This is the same chords in loop the whole way through. But before we get into it, I have a very quick question. What is your favorite Conan Gray song, or what other songs would you like to see of his taught on guitar? Post a comment below, I'll be happy, see what you're looking for, may even do a few requests. You will be pleased to see familiar chords such as D, A, E minor, and G. Of course, our G, you can do the 4-finger G or the 3-finger G. I am a fan of the 4-finger G for this song, so I'll be using it. Now, here's the deal. It is the same rhythm in a loop the whole way through. So let's take a look at it. First of all, we're going to count, right? If you do want to just get into it, we'd say, without doing the rhythm first and get the flow of the chords, if you're not long playing guitar, or if you want to settle into it, you could just strum 4 downs on each chord, and it would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes. This party's it, wish we could dip, go anywhere but here. Right, you get the idea? With the rhythm, it would sound as follows then. I go 3, 4. Like that. So, let's give it one go. Now, the first thing I'd say is it is super important to learn this count. See, counting is the basis of all rhythm. So if you're not counting it correctly, well then the rhythm probably won't work out. So the first thing I'd like you to look at are the numbers and the letters at the top. The 1, a 2, and 3, and 4. And if you want to say that with me first yourself at home, either in your head, out loud, or counting out loud, you can go 1, a 2, and 3, and 4. 1, a 2, and 3, and 4. You will see then, underneath those, the D is for down, U is for up. So, those are basically where you'll hit your rhythms. What's the R for? The R is for root. The root note of your chord. So, let's say if I'm on it here, and I'm going like this. You'll notice for the 1, a 2, and I can strum it like this. I'll do that one more time. 1, a 2, and. Now for you more experienced players out there, you could cut off that 2 like this. Okay, I will not get into that in this lesson since it's more about the chords and the other rhythms. So it goes 1, a 2, and 3, and 4. You could do that first. Now if you want to do it along with me, just get your D chord and we'll go 1, a 2, and 3, and 4. You'll notice here I hit the down on the 4th beat as well. So I'm going 1, a 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, now that R stands for root. So I want to take a closer look at this. So up to that point we get this. 1, a 2, and 3, and 4. On that and you will pick the D string. So 1, a 2, and 3, and 4. Now for the A string you hit the, for the A chord you hit the A string. Like that. So we go 1, a 2, and 3, and 4. E minor, hit the E string. G, you hit the E string also. Okay, so all together we get this. We get 3, 4. 1, a 2, and 3, and 4. 1, a 2, and 3, and 4. 1, a 2, and 3, and 4. So that's the 4 chords and the rhythm. Now, a bit of practice tips I'd have for this is, if you're finding that the rhythm is a little bit tricky, right? So first of all, do not be your hero. Do not try that slap thing right now. Get the rhythm in its original form first, which means strumming down on the second beat. And then after that, make sure it flows. So make sure that you're getting that strum, that accuracy going between the open string and going back to your wide strumming. That'll be the thing to watch with that. And then it would be incorporating the chord changes. And if you look at the 4 chords, well, if one out of the 4 is a bit trickier than others, just practice that one more and then connect it up to the previous chord. So for example, D might feel a little bit tight to get because it's down farther on the neck, but if you actually get that one working and then get your A chord, E minor and G, but practice going from the G back to the D, because the whole song goes in an entire loop. And that's how to play Wish You Were Sober by Conan Gray. No capo needed. Again, make sure you grab the download. It's pretty cool. Like, the chords are there, the diagrams are there, the lyrics are there, especially if you want to sing this song. And don't forget, post a comment below. Love to get suggestions on more Conan Gray songs. I had one already, which I'm looking at. And I'll catch you guys very soon. Thanks a million for watching and supporting the lessons.